You gonna push him? Push him. Hey, Kaylee, push brother. Squirrel or what? Come push him. Careful. You have to do both. Push him. You're putting a shoe on him? Have to be careful. Are you giving him a shoe? Can he have a kiss? Will you kiss his head? Oh, be soft. Okay, push him. Watch out. Oh, gosh. It's okay, buddy. Here, come push him. Look. Let's push him, push him, push him. Come on. Come help me. Help me. Push, push, push. Go do it. Say push, push, push. Second I get the camera out, you have to stop. Giving Daddy a kiss. Did he just get home from work? Kiss. Okay, how about brother? Do you want to go push him for a ride? Here, blow Mama a kiss. Say bye. Blow Mama a kiss.